Hey, remember last time we did this same hairstyle with the green threads, and this time around we are going to do it with the black threads and doing it on the natural hair. Remember the one we did last time it was with straight hair.
Morris, the Crochet Master.
All right, yes, welcome back from that. Yes, I hope everyone you are subscribing, ringing the ring bell, so that you get the notification wherever I post a video. So this time around, we are going to be seeing the same hairstyle that I posted last time. Yes, concerning with these cornrows. And I remember I asked you guys what name you can call these hairstyle. So most of you guys tried to answer it, and yes, I hope you got it right. So I tried to do it with a straight hair, and then you saw what happened. And this time around I still want to do the same thing with this natural hair, so that we can compare if we are doing it with the natural hair, and as like we always do, what can come out if we're doing it with natural hair. So you're going to do one thing for me, like if you didn't watch our previous video, oh yes, our previous video, I'm going to put a link there so that you can go and try to see the previous video and this one, then you compare, so that when you're trying to do when you're trying to recommend someone, it will be very easy for you. So like when I did the one with straight hair, it was very neat, though. Like I tried to count the duration, you understand, I tried to count the duration, and then this the same thing that I've done with this natural hair. Still, I would still want to see its duration, if it is much better compared to the one with straight hair. So those are the things that I always want to compare when I'm doing these hairstyles with different hair type. But according to what I'm doing right now, I remember someone was telling me that it is somehow not safe using this needle on these cornrows, that maybe there is a particular needle that we're supposed to use. But anyway, sometimes when you don't have things to use, it's not like you have to wait for those ones. But what you can always do, as long as you're gentle enough to use this, you can always do it. Maybe if you're trying to say you're doing a DIY, but though that one, you can also still, you can feel yourself that you're piercing, you understand, you can feel it that you're piercing yourself. So I don't think that even if you don't have the other one, that you can't get the hairstyle. So me, I'm using this but in a gentle way, and it is doing it right for me. So what I realized when doing it with the natural hair, and this natural hair has got the lot of volume, it is really very thick. So what I do, I maintain, you can see my finger in the middle, I maintain it like always to I make sure that it is there, so that my middle line doesn't get it doesn't get lost. I keep making sure that my middle line is there, because now this hair is really thick. So if you try to, if the middle line if you lose the middle line, trust me, you won't get all hair, you understand. And when you're using a thread, and when you're using this thread and you try to jump only one hair like this, yes, you won't get it, you understand. Because now if you want, maybe if you had left it and you feel you want to bring it back so that you can sew it from there, it cannot go inside. So that's why I'm like, whenever you're plaiting, please try to make sure that you don't allow the middle line to get lost. So you can see how behind it looks like it is really really hard. It is hard and tricky using this needle on a hair like this, very thick. Yeah, but I tried to manage it very well. So this the last video we used these threads with on straight hair, but even the braiding was also with threads. But for my client, for her, she wants something, she wanted it this way, but we should use the synthetic braids, the normal braid that we always use, maybe the one we always use with the knotless braid. So she's the one like she wanted those ones. So let's try to see how it is going to come out with that. And here is trying to see how I'm not making my middle line to get lost, because it is the main thing that can do the pattern. You understand, it does the pattern very well. And even your hair, the hair, it makes all the hair inside, like if that middle line is there. So please, whenever you're doing it, mind about the middle line, because it is going to help you a lot when you're doing this hairstyle. Yes, I love it so much. And yes, for me, I think this one with natural hair can also start having it. Yes, it can also have it, though you just have to be somehow gentle as possible. Don't make it very tight. So what I decided when I was done doing my cornrows, I just got these synthetic braid, and then I applied it so that we can have the real braiding down. You understand? So you can also do it, because since her hair was that thick, so I'm trying to do it from down, and I'm removing like the small portion, so that it can it can be easily done. It can blend with the braid. It can blend with this synthetic braid. You understand? So this is how it looks like. You just braid it this way. I know everyone knows how to do this. So I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are, guys, in Canada, United States of America, UK. Yes, I love you so much. Those ones in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, Nairobi, and Zambia. Those ones in Jamaica, Cameroon, yes, Trinidad. Is it a right word? Yes, I already see those guys. Those ones of Trinidad. Yes, you help me pronounce that name. Yes, I love you so much, guys. Just know I really do love you so much. And we can continue with our braiding, and I know everyone knows how to do that, so that we can get our last we can get our last the ending, to see our results, how it's going to be. So what you should do for me, please follow that link, so that we compare the two and see this one with the thread, this one with the thread plus the synthetic braids. How does it look like with the other one, with the other one that I did it throughout with threads only, the green threads, so that you can compare the two, and we see how we can recommend our clients. So this is what I got for you. And guys, there's a link going on my the channel of my lifestyle. I started my doing the journey, like where I started from. So I will also be doing it for you, so that you can see how my life was and how we started all this. Yes, you have made me a person that I am right now, and I really thank God that I'm with you guys. May God bless you all. And seriously, I don't have much to say, but I can always say that may God should bless you, and just know I love you so much from the heart. Yes, so this is what I got for you in this video, and please I love you so much. I can't stop saying that. I'm gonna sign out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.